Feel like your iPhone 17 Pro Max volume is lower than everyone else's? There's actually a hidden setting that can make it sound way louder, almost like 200%. Let me show you. First, play any music on your phone and set the volume to the highest level. This helps you clearly notice the difference after the changes. Now, open Settings on your iPhone. Go to Sounds and Haptics. Inside this menu, look for Volume Limit. Make sure Limit Maximum Volume is turned off. This is the main setting that causes low volume. This removes any restriction that's holding your sound back. Now go back and find Reduce Loud Sounds. Turn this option off as well, because when this is on, your iPhone automatically lowers loud audio. Now go to Headphone Safety and turn off Reduce Loud Audio. Right after that, you'll notice the soundbar isn't capped anymore. You can increase the volume further and see the difference. And that's it. Now go back and play your music again. You'll notice your iPhone can go much louder than before, giving you a stronger and fuller sound experience.